Standing when the light is gone, patience waiting with hope in eyes. Feel the pressure, hear the sighs. Hours pass like a rolling tide, hearts pounding but there's nowhere to hide. Pills and charts rule their days, fighting battles in the maze. The thin green line is breaking fast. Overworked, how long can it last? Stretched to limit, yet they stand tall. In the dark cause they catch our fall. Sleepless nights and endless rounds, healing hands but no one's around. Worn out shoes on a silent floor, how much can they endure? The thin green line is breaking fast. Overworked, how long can it last? Stretched to limit, yet they stand tall. In the dark cause they catch our fall. The thin green line is breaking fast. Overworked, how long can it last? Stretched to limit, yet they stand tall. In the dark halls they catch our fall. Still they press on through the night, flickering like a tired light. Life and death in every breath, unseen heroes give their best. Stretched to limit, yet they stand tall. In the dark halls they catch our fall. The feel they press on through the night, flickering like a tired light. Life and death in every breath, unseen heroes give their best.